It's common for one spouse to trust another to manage the couple's finances. In Adams versus Jankouskas, we explore when courts will impose resulting and constructive trusts in that context. When John Jankouskas married Stella Jankouskas, Stella owned an unsuccessful beauty shop, and her financial situation was precarious. A few years later, Stella formed a corporation with herself as sole owner. Throughout the marriage, John surrendered his paychecks to Stella, who deposited them in either the couple's joint account or the corporation's account, pooling John's earnings with those from the beauty shop and corporation. They did so on the stated understanding, attested to by third parties, that they shared all property, were preparing for retirement, and would leave everything to each other upon death. Stella invested some of the pooled funds and, via the corporation, acquired various assets, including an apartment building and a house in which John and Stella lived. John paid monthly rent to the corporation. When Stella died, her estate was valued at approximately $350,000, only $40,000 of which was personal property held in both spouses' names. John acquired that property and, in accordance with Stella's will, a diamond ring, vehicle, and $10,000. Stella's will left the remainder to her niece, Dolores Adams, with Dolores's mother, Charlotte, as Stella's executrix. John eventually filed a suit in equity against Stella's estate, claiming that he owned a share of the assets purchased using pooled funds. The Court of Chancery awarded John half of Stella's estate, holding that the couple's financial arrangement gave rise to either a constructive or resulting trust, with Stella holding the property for the community's benefit. Stella's estate appealed to the Delaware Supreme Court.